Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do your weekend love bite. This is for the 25th, 26th, 27th, the weekend of September, 25th of September, okay? Oops, Emperor, what do you want to say to Sagittarius? This card just popped out and just sat here. So we're going to keep him, okay? Let's keep the Emperor here and continue. Dear God, Goddesses, Angels, Spirit Guides, please bless this reading for Sagittarius and send us the messages they need to hear the most at this time. Thank you. So Sagittarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot. We have crossed our 5,000 mark, and that's all of us together now. We are growing as a family each day. Thank you for all your love, and thank you. And if you're new here, we welcome you to the Omkara family. Do join us, and we welcome you in. We meet here weekly, in our weekends as well, and we'd be happy to have you join us. And Sagittarius, these are general collective readings, okay? Will not resonate with each and every one of you. So take what works for you, leave the rest. With that said, I will take now an angel blessing card for you to top this reading, okay? So my angels, what do you have for Sagittarius now? Blessing or an advice card for Sagittarius for the weekend? A blessing or an advice card, please, my angels. For Sagittarius, oh. That's too many, Spirit. I can't give them so many. One or two. One card of advice or blessing for my Sagittarians. Okay, so they gave me two this time. So the first card I have for you is making wise decisions. Taking control of your life, it seems, Sagittarius. Were you juggling over some decision for some time, and now you kind of making that decision? The second card, I still have three, I don't believe this. Okay, so the second card here, Sagittarius, they're adamant to give you three cards. I can't do anything about it. But okay, so the first card was wise decision. Second card was safe travel. Now, safe travel, no, Sagittarius. You're not going anywhere. You're not allowed to travel. But in this card actually means you're moving from one phase of your life to another. Right? And whatever decisions you're making, you are making wise decisions. Don't be worried, because the angels have you on their back. Right? If you're worried about something, if you feel there's been a bit of a pause in your life and you don't know what decision to make, and you are worrying about how it's going to go, going back and forth in your mind, don't be, because my angels are saying, you don't even have to worry. We've got it all covered for you. We're carrying you on our back. We won't even let your feet get wet in this lake. You're high up on our shoulders. So just make your decisions, make wise decisions. If something has stalled in your life at the moment, it's just a pause. Very soon, you're going to be back in your Emperor mode. Okay? You'll soon have control back of your life. So don't worry about anything. I am going to put this card here, and I'm going to put these three cards with my angel and see how it's going to resonate with the rest of our reading. So Sagittarius, the first card I have here for you for the weekend is the Six of Wands, Knight of Pentacles, and the Ten of Pentacles. So, let me open 6 cards and then we'll go on from there. Death, Eight of Swords, and the Four of Pentacles. So right now, Sagittarius, you're not feeling very victorious at anything. You feel that, whatever I set out to do, it didn't come true. Things have really stagnated. Things are not balanced in my, structured maybe home life or your relationship life. Yeah, you're not feeling that there is any reason to celebrate this weekend. At least that's what you're feeling. You just want to lay down, whatever you were juggling with. Two of Pentacles is out again. So whatever you were thinking, going back and forth in your mind, you're desperate now to just kind of drop the ball now. But you're seeming quite fed up here. But yet you are fearing change as well, right? You're still holding on to some kind of hope here regarding something which is not very stable right now. because you feel, you've lost face here. Even though maybe there was a reunion you were waiting for, or maybe some celebration you were waiting for which didn't happen, that really didn't happen, and that's not making you feel very good. You are wanting a transformation in your life, like a huge, you want, like, snap, things should just change and the old should be out and something new should happen. You're really up in your head and still holding on tight to the hope that maybe things will turn around. So what's this Death card, Spirit? Yeah, something happened which was probably came as a shock to you, Sagittarius. This was like a tower moment in your life where something just blew up. Even though you maybe know it's over or it's not moving, you are unable still to let it go completely. You're still hoping against hope that maybe something will work out. You're totally in your head now, Sagittarius. You're worrying, you're stressed out, you feel you're unable to, see the path ahead of you. But this card, Sagittarius, there's nobody holding you down. It's you yourself. There's a clear path ahead of you. Just open your eyes. The blindfold can be taken off, right? Nobody is standing around with those swords around you except your own head. So, but you are here holding on to some thought which is only in your head. So, what's this Eight of Swords, Spirit? What's this Eight of Swords for Sagittarius? One more card. What's this Eight of Swords? Yeah, I think you are trying. You are trying, or maybe somebody else has turned their back on you, or you are turning your back on this, and you're struggling, I think, this weekend to let this stress and tension go. So what's this Four of Pentacles, Spirit? What are they holding on to? What is Sagittarius holding on to so tight? Some commitment which you really love the person. You really loved this person, you wanted commitment to this person, and some news maybe came which shook this foundation. And you may be feeling that maybe, I don't know what to do next, and maybe you don't want to be single. I don't know what this is pertaining, Sagittarius. Each one will have a different storyline. This could be relating your job, could work, but these are love bites. So you're still holding on to the fact that you can make it work, where you know that things are not working out. You want to somehow be in control of the situation and make it right once again. So Spirit is saying, take a pause, okay? Think about it. Make some wise decision. If this person is not giving you any forward movement, has turned their back, think about it. And maybe it's time to move ahead, right? And if you do make the wise decision to maybe move ahead in your own life and be happy, we will be there with you to help you with the transition. So don't be stuck in a place, Sagittarius, which is not good for you. So this weekend, Sagittarius, I do see you coming out of this hangman's place, or getting enlightened at least about the situation. But there is a Page of Cups here. I think somebody, either you or your person, is still wanting to give a peace offering. So what's this hangman's place, Spirit? Till now, I think there has been no movement. All promises or all effort made from the other side has turned out to be not correct, right? All promises which you feel that all promises that were made were false and they didn't mean anything. You are this weekend, I think, taking stock of all the investment that was put or not put. And you coming to that realization that, hey, there was nothing put here. Is it even worth, Is it even worth staying in my heartbreak? I think you're releasing this heartbreak. You're releasing all the stress and tension and worry this weekend, Sagittarius. So what's this Page of Cups, Spirit? What's this Page of Cups? Yeah, you are kind of understanding that this cup of love which came towards you, you're coming to the realization this weekend, Sagittarius, a big one, that this little offer that used to come your way or that came your way was too small. There was a fish in that cup which came, right? And it started stinking after a while. So you've realized that this person who ever was in your life was a player maybe who was troublesome, who dipped in and out of your life. This weekend you've realized that all the memories that were created, which I think you've been stuck on for a long time, were really not worth it. They didn't give you any happiness. I think this weekend, Sagittarius, you're taking back control of your life and you're dropping this burden altogether. Okay, so that's all I have for you, and don't worry, this transition will be made very, very safe and secure for you. Spirit sees all and they are with you in this transition. Okay, so that's all I have for you, Sagittarius. I'm glad you're getting relieved of your stress and tension and worry. If you haven't thought about it, give it a thought. Make some wise decisions for yourself this weekend. Okay, till okay, October reads are coming up. See you then. Okay, love and light. Take care. Namaste.